Hey guys, it's Matt with ContractorHUB, back at it today with another episode in our how-to series, and today we are going to be talking about connecting to our MCP server. So a lot of you guys out there have responded to me and saying, hey, yeah, we would love to be able to connect our Claude or ChatGPT account directly to ContractorHUB so we can ask questions within it and use the MCP tools that you have to access the data in our account. So we're going to go ahead and look at how to connect it and get right into it. All right, well, hold on just one second. We'll get right in. So first things first, you're going to get into your account in ContractorHUB and you're going to go all the way to the bottom of the navigation. And you're going to see in that navigation settings, and you may not be able to see it because it's behind my little head over here. But once you click into settings, you're going to have to see all of your company settings depending on your level of access. And if you are a user, you're going to be able to see this AI access tokens. So all you're going to do is click onto AI access tokens, and this is going to have the link to the MCP endpoint. So all you're going to need to do, this is very simple. If you're using Claude Desktop or ChatGPT, the application, you're going to use this endpoint. So you're just going to copy and paste this URL, or just click the copy URL button. And then you are going to go into your Claude account. And once you're open in your Claude account, you will go down to the bottom of the screen where you see your user, and you are going to click Settings. And once you get into settings, you're going to see connectors. So once you get into the connectors, you will then go to add custom connector. It's going to ask for a name, and you're just going to name it. Doesn't matter what you name this, but I would say just ContractorHUB. And then what you'll do there is post in that URL that you copied out of the application. Then you're going to hit add. Now, it's going to ask you then to connect to the MCP endpoint. So you'll just hit connect. It's going to open up a new window into the application itself. You're going to see authorization request, who you are signed into, and your tenant, and then just click authorize. Once you click authorize, it's going to set up an access token and then say we are connected to Claude Code. And it's going to go back into Claude itself. Once it goes into Claude itself, we can set configuration options for all the tools that you have access to. So you'll be able to see that list of tools. Right now, a lot of these are just set to needs authorization. So it'll ask you if you're talking to it, if it's available to access that tool. Then you're going to have full access to most of the data that's available in that tool section in your Claude account. So I can ask, what is in my projects? We'll just say job pipeline. What that's going to do, it's going to call the MCP in ContractorHUB. Don't have to specifically call it to ContractorHUB. It's going to look at your pipeline projects, and it's going to give you a full list of everything that's in your project pipeline. Show you all the values of things, all kinds of things, that any kind of information you need. Like, do I have any vehicles? Yeah, that need service. I misspelled that, but they can figure it out. So it's going to go through, look through the fleet vehicles in ContractorHUB, and it's going to give you an idea. It says, yep, one vehicle is currently flagged for service. So number truck 7, it's currently unassigned and it's in maintenance status. So you can pull up full details. You can do a lot of things with ContractorHUB's MCP server. So that's just about it. That's how you connect Claude to our MCP server and just chat with your data. If you like to use large language models like Claude or ChatGPT or anything else like that, it makes it super easy just to get quick information. So that's about it for today. If you have any questions, you can always use the Get Help section in ContractorHUB. Other than that, I will see you guys on the next video.